Welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're an ambitious high school student, or maybe a parent supporting one, you already know that the road to college success is, well, exactly that. It's a journey. It takes serious dedication, a few late nights, and a whole lot of planning. But, as the old saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles really does begin with a single step. And today, we're going to look at one absolutely crucial, exciting step you can take right now to completely transform that journey.
We're focusing on unlocking a massive academic advantage specifically for high schoolers in the Fond du Lac area. We're going to explore a unique opportunity that, especially for students who are already enrolled in AVID programs, acts as the ultimate level up for your future. It's a real game changer.
So here is our roadmap for today. We're going to touch on the college journey, look at what the UBMS program is, dive into some hands-on STEAM activities, break down that AVID advantage, and finally, go over your next steps.
Section 1. The College Success Journey.
Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, I just want to validate the hard work you're already putting in. The path to college can feel super intimidating, right? There are applications, financial aid forms that look like they're written in a different language, and just the sheer pressure of figuring out what you actually want to do with your life. But you're not alone, and it is absolutely conquerable when you have the right support system. And honestly, the most important number for you to keep in mind right now is 62. The program we're about to discuss has the funding to serve exactly 62 rising 8th through 11th graders every year from the Fond du Lac and North Fond du Lac school districts. So this isn't some massive and personal factory where you just get lost in the crowd. It's a highly focused, highly dedicated resource for a very select group of local students. Section 2. What is UBMS? For those exclusive 62 students, they get access to UBMS. That stands for Upward Bound Math and Science. It's a federally funded trial program hosted right at Marian University. And here's the absolute best part, especially for the parents listening. It provides comprehensive educational support, and it is completely free. No hidden fees, the whole shebang is free. The goal is simple but profound. They want to help potential first-generation college students or income-eligible high schoolers graduate, transition to college smoothly, and pursue degrees in math and science. Now, UBMS isn't just about staying after school for some extra math tutoring. It's a holistic support system built on 5 key pillars. First, you get academic support to keep those grades climbing. Then, college enrollment planning, which literally takes the panic right out of the application process. There's career exploration, so you can actually see what high-demand fields like engineering or biotechnology look like in the real world. They also provide financial education, so families understand exactly how to pay for college without losing sleep. And finally, personal development, which is all about building the leadership and confidence you need to actually thrive out there. It perfectly balances book smarts with real-world readiness.
Section 3. Hands-on STEAM experiences.
Now, what's really interesting about this next part is how they actually teach. Learning at UBMS means stepping away from the desk. Instead of just staring at textbooks for hours, you're fully immersed in virtual reality, or you're tackling a rock climbing wall. This program makes education exciting. You're actively participating in robotics, coding, environmental science, and hands-on engineering challenges. It's all about creative problem solving and building confidence by actually doing things, rather than just taking notes on them. Furthermore, UBMS helps students overcome what is arguably the biggest hurdle to higher education, college anxiety. And how do they do it? Through actual exposure. Before you even graduate high school, you're stepping foot on college campuses, touring places like the state capitol, and doing real-world science at aquariums. This kind of exposure makes the whole idea of college feel familiar. It makes it achievable and far less intimidating. All of this culminates in an epic 6-week summer academy. Okay, I know, convincing a teenager to give up part of their summer sounds practically impossible, right? But this is different. With themes like growing beyond limits, students jump into a curriculum that blends hard science with creative expression, everything from horticulture to the mathematics of games. But most importantly, they're building a supportive, lifelong community of motivated peers who share their big goals. It's like finding your tribe. Section 4. The AVID and UBMS advantage. Okay, let's dive into how this creates an unstoppable alliance. If you're already part of the AVID program in the Fond du Lac area, listen up, because you are already doing amazing work building an academic foundation. AVID teaches you how to succeed academically with rock-solid study habits, organization, and note-taking. But UBMS expands that experience. It gives you the real-world laboratory to actually apply those skills. Think of it this way. AVID helps you stay organized and college-focused, while UBMS helps you explore careers, build technical skills, and gain incredible hands-on STEAM experiences.
This combination builds incredible character. The organizational skills and persistence, the grit, that you learn in AVID translate directly into solving the complex, creative STEAM problems you're going to face in UBMS classrooms. When an engineering design fails on the first try, and it will, your AVID discipline keeps you focused, and your UBMS mentorship helps you innovate a brand new solution. It is just a perfect synergy of theory and practice.
And here is the bottom line, especially for the parents watching today. Colleges and scholarship committees absolutely love seeing students who go beyond the classroom. When they see an applicant who has participated in both AVID and UBMS, it proves incredible initiative. It demonstrates unwavering academic commitment, real leadership, a genuine interest in STEAM, and undeniable college readiness. You aren't just preparing for college, you're proving to every single admissions office that you are ready to excel there.
Section 5. Taking the next step.
So how do you actually claim one of those 62 spots? Well, the application process is designed to be super simple and accessible. Step 1, just ask a teacher, counselor, principal, or coach for a recommendation. Honestly, they already know your potential. Step 2, open the direct application online. And step 3, you can literally sign the application with your finger right on a smartphone or tablet. But here is the absolutely crucial detail to remember. The deadline for the upcoming year is May 31st, so you definitely want to get moving on this quickly.
AVID prepares you to succeed, but UBMS helps you imagine what that success can actually look like in the real world. So, my question for you is this. Are you ready to outgrow your own expectations? Are you ready to step out of the textbook and into your future? Take just a moment to think about what success really looks like for you.
Because the future belongs to those who are willing to explore it. I'm leaving the contact information right here on the screen for you. You can text the UBMS team directly at 920-266-9397 or shoot them an email at trio.ubms@marianuniversity.edu. Don't wait on this. Take that single step today. Reach out and start building a future without limits. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.